I use a plasma cutter to cut out my skillet bodies. The trick is we only want to bring this up to about a red in temperature, or a dull red in temperature. And the reason why is because you want to still be able to see that scribed line. We are going to need a hammer, a saw face hammer. We are going to need a set hammer. We are going to follow that line all the way around the pan or the skillet. And what we're going to do is we are going to sink the bottom. When we do that, it's going to act a lot like a bowl. It's going to want to take and lift the outside edge up, at the same time gather the material and compress.